Welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, today you can see different kind of eye contact lenses. Colored eye contact lenses. If you are contact lenses lover, then you are at right place. This video is for you. In this video, we are dive deep into the fascinating world of eye contact lenses. In this comprehensive video, I will tell you everything you need to know about these remarkable vision correction devices that have revolutionized the way we see and interact with the world. These contact lenses have various different kinds and types. You can use as a fashion and style these contact lenses, but also can use for vision correction, eyesight correction. Now in this video, I will tell you about different colored eye contact lenses according to your occasions and your dressings, events, etc. By using these contact lenses, you become very charming and stunning personality in all the festivals. According to whether your desire and your occasions, you can change your eye contact lenses as you wish. This video is all about different kind of contact lenses. You can pick the different ideas and apply on your eyes. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get more informative videos like this video, and hit the bell icon to receive all the notification like that videos. And please remember to like, comments and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating content on eye health, visions and eye contact, and this eye contact lenses with makeup. Your comments is valuable for me, that help me to make more videos that you like. So please subscribe my channel and share my videos and comment to me. Thank you.